Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to add filters and tags to your inbox messages. So if you go to the inbox, you will see here you have mailbox and LinkedIn box. Also, you can see all the message you ever sent from Alta, all the replies, and all the ones that are still unread. So let's go to the reply. Some of them will have already some tags ready for you, but you can also create a new one by clicking on these three dots, add tag, and you can choose from one of the ones that are here, or you can create a new one, new tag. Then you click on it, then you save it. And then you can see here that there's a new tag. Now, how can you filter? You can go to the filter, do filters per rep, per campaign, or per tag. So if you want to filter based on the new tag, you click on it, and then here it's a filter. Hope this helps. See you in the next video.